How to open Snapchat account in another phone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you access or open Snapchat account on another phone. So let's get started. First, as you have to just confirm your login credential for your Snapchat account. After you confirm it, you'll have to just open Snapchat on your another device. For that, as you can directly open Snapchat application or any browser. Right now, I'm opening another Snapchat account on my Chrome browser. After you open browser, in the search field, search for Snapchat login. And from here, on the first one, tap on snapchat.com for login. After you come on this interface, you'll have to just provide your email or username for your Snapchat account. After you provide your username or email, tap on next. And from here, enter your password. After you enter your password, tap on next. Alright, as you can see, I have successfully logged in my Snapchat account on another phone. Like you can, as usual, open it on your Snapchat application. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.